Alright. We are in the rain. What's up, Will? Say hi.
Hey.
Okay. Let's see, we are in the rain. And we're gonna play in the rain. I like your choice of your colored golf balls.
Gotta be eclectic.
Jesus Christ. I hope you can find your golf balls.
This is why I'm gonna find the golf balls.
Really?
There any idiots on the golf course? Yeah.
Really?
Not very many.
There'll be 4 more. There'll be 4 more.
Well, have fun out there.
Thank you.
It's golf. How could you have fun?
Which one is it, Ike?
Well, it is definitely raining.
That was a big issue. That really hurt some mountain. Stop there.
Looking good.
Oh shit.
It's never safe when Will's driving. What I'm talking about, man. Gash's insurance, what I'm talking about. Oh, fudge.
What the hell is that?
Can't stop on a dime on the wet grass. Oh, good shot. Nice. Thanks. All you, baby. Man's on steroids. On steroids.
How can this look like a monster?
I don't know, man. You ball strong?
Oh. Oh, you got that.
Oh, I got that. Shot, good shot. Get out.
Jesus, Will.
I'm telling you, you gotta ease the brake.
Okay, I will.
You
I
sure
will.
you're not the one that actually drove into the fence?
Jesus Christ, this fool.
I mean,
Wanna record me? This is gonna be in the water. Well,
Go ahead. Oh shit, you made it. What's that, pitching wedge?
use a 9, dude.
You don't even 9-9?
Shot.
Oh shit.
Oh, that's water. I think he had a really bad lie. I think the ball's pretty buried. Fudge. Oh! Jesus Christ.
Wow.
You barely made it. Did you chunk it?
No, I didn't chunk it.
Man, stop babying this shot, man.
I did baby it though.
See, that's what I'm talking about. that par. What'd you get?
I had no idea. I think I double bogeyed or triple bogeyed or something. Since I hit it in the water.
You know, I knew it. Right after a birdie.
I do bad on this all the time. Actually, it's always
sure do.
I always start out good, and then it just goes downhill from there.
Black Panther. I'm sorry, people. It was just alright. Just alright. You know what's alright?
But
I don't know. Black Panther. I see you lost your balance there. Good shot. Sounding good. Okay, autofocus. Are you working? You are working. We're going down the hill. This might be my last broadcast because this fool's driving, and he Asian, so you know what that means. We're going back. Oh shit. So, Will, how's your golf game going?
it's okay.
I see that. Ease it out, baby. There you go. Like your whole, come look at this. It's like soapy. What's wrong with your thing, dude? Why is the side of your thing so soapy?
I have no idea.
Ooh. Ooh. I'll be happy with that, I guess. Okay.
Is that your first time wearing it?
No, second time wearing. I wore it when
You
I
probably didn't wash it.
Yes, I did.
Did you wash it?
Did I wash it? I don't know.
Probably didn't wash it. Alright, once you park, I want you to get out of the car and I want you to do a 360 for me.
A 360?
A 360. You feel me? Alright, hold your arms up. 360.
Huh?
Look at this bullshit.
Watch this mud hole here.
Hold on. Gotta wait for the autofocus, you know what I'm saying? Alright, there you go. Look at this thing. Why in the world does this jacket have soapy or soap coming out of it? That is just weird. Adidas, you gotta make it right. You gotta hook my man up. Look at this guy. He's got all your shit.
The hat?
He got the hat.
have a jacket underneath here. That's them too.
He got a jacket underneath there. That's also Adidas. Man, Adidas. You just ruined this.
Huh?
Well, it's the last home. Well, over par, as always. Same as this guy, and you know, he got some Sovac shit going on here.
Take the Sophie jacket off. Get right there.
So, Will, what do you gotta say to Adidas? Come on, man, give it to him. Give it to him, man. The floor is yours. Man, Adidas, you suck. That's all I gotta say.
What the fuck, man?
Oh, WTF, Holmes.